केपें नगरपालिकेन ऑर्किड लँड हांगा बेकायदेशीर दोंगर कापणी आणि बेकायदेशीर कामां आड जायत्यो कागाळी नोंद करून लेगीत हे बेकायदेशीर काम थांबोवपाक कसलीच पावलां उबारूंक ना अशी कागाळ केपेंचो आमदार एल्टन डिकॉस्टान केला. तशेंच दिल्लीच्या एका बिल्डरान गोंया भायल्या लोकांक सुमार 500 प्लॉट सब डिव्हिजनाचो परवानो घेनासतना विकल्यात आणि नगर नियोजन खातें हाचे आड कांयच करिना अशें ताणें म्हटलां. हाचे वयल्यान नगर नियोजन खातें आणि बिल्डर एकठांय आसात आणि केपेंचो नाश करपाक उठल्यात असो आरोप लेगीत एल्टनान केला.
Speaker sir, this is to bring to your notice that after filing several complaints in the Kepe Municipal Council against illegal hill cutting and illegal construction in Orchid land, no development zones, agricultural land in Kepe in the municipal area, survey number 80/1, 80/2, 80/3, 81/1, 81/2, 81/3, 113/0, 110/1, 56/0, 114/0 in the village Diyaon, Igramod, Gamkarwado. Speaker sir, the Kepe municipality has issued illegal house numbers, illegal NOCs for electricity and water connections. Speaker sir, the development has been carried out in eco-sensitive zones without concerning and without having the ground reality, without assessing the topography of the land. Speaker sir, citizens have filed numerous complaints in Kepe Municipal Council and the Deputy Collector of Kepe to initiate action, but authorities have failed to take the give locals the justice. Speaker sir, it is clearly a non-settlement zone in Regional Plan 2021. One Delhi builder, namely Sir Biotech, has started selling 500 plots to migrants without approval of subdivision. Speaker sir, earlier the Town and Country Planning Office have issued NOCs in the said survey numbers. Speaker sir, I feel that the Town and Country Planning and the builders are hand in gloves in distracting our Kepe village and the natural resources.